Assalamualaikum and a very good uh, day to you, sir. My name is Muhammad Safiuddin bin Aris from BAY 1/2, and now I am going to show you how to get the measuring phase um, for RC circuit using Tektronix oscilloscope. From this, you will get the supply voltage VP to P, VC VP to P, and phase difference. Firstly, you must build the circuit. Firstly, you must follow the procedure. That is peel the circuit from the multisim. As shown as this, you will get the Tektronix oscilloscope from the bottom left, bottom right here, and um, function generator you will get up here, um, and the rest of the component you will get at the here component. For function generator, you must change the frequency um, to 2000 hertz, and for amplitude. Now run the circuit and double click the Tektronix oscilloscope, and you will must get tap the power button, and you will get the circuit, and you must change the from coupling DC to AC from channel 1, and channel 2 also change to AC. Now for channel 1, you must change to 1 voltage, 2 voltage, sorry, to 2 voltage, 2 voltage, and also channel 2 you must change to 2 voltage, and for the time you must change to 100 millisecond, 100 millisecond. Now you can pause or stop the uh, frequency here, but you must get the full like this. That's okay. Now you can um, click to measure. Now you can select the channel 1 V channel 1, and source for channel 1, type for PKPK, and it will show your PKPK here, and it will show you how a voltage, and write down the data at the table here at voltage. For now, to channel 2, we can go back here, channel 2, also change the channel 2, also peak to peak, and you will get the 4.98 volt. Also write down the data, then you how to get the different phase difference from the equation, and how to get the delta time is you must use the circle, and you must get the peak from the difference peak here, just like shown as the here given. You must use the right here, change the data from the you must get the data here 87 µs. From my last lab, I got 74 from the data, but now is 87. We can change it 87. The formula is 80 from delta t divide by time, our time, and times 316. For now, we will get 87 -6 times 3, and we will get 62.64 degree. That's all. Thank you very much.